Host, energetic, welcome back to Live Traders Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, growth investing. Cut to title card, Episode 8, Growth Investing Strategies. Host, enthusiastic, in this episode, we're going to unravel the secrets of growth investing, a strategy that's all about spotting tomorrow's winners today. Cut the host sitting at a desk with a laptop and stock charts. Host, explaining, growth investing is not just about buying stocks, it's about investing in companies with the potential for rapid growth in the future. So, let's get started. Host, narrating, first off, what is growth investing? Well, it's a strategy where you focus on companies that are expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other firms in the market. Cut to a chart showing revenue growth. Host, pointing at the chart, one crucial factor we'll explore is revenue growth. High-growth companies often have increasing sales, which is a good sign of their potential. Transition to a list of competitive advantages. Host, explaining, we'll also discuss competitive advantages. These are the factors that set a company apart from its competitors. Think of it as their secret sauce. Cut the host holding a tablet with a stock research app. Host, sharing, and of course, we'll provide you with practical tips on how to research and invest in growth stocks. It's all about making informed decisions. Cut the host back at the desk. Host, summarizing, so, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, growth investing is a strategy worth exploring to potentially turbocharge your portfolio. Cut to closing shot, host smiling. Host, encouraging, thanks for joining us on this exciting exploration of growth investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Closing screen, subscribe, like, and follow us on social media. Host, waving, until next time, here's to spotting tomorrow's winners today and achieving your financial goals. Take care.